Hi folks, in this video I am going to teach you how to open a multi-banks account. In this video we will also cover how to deposit and withdraw money from Multibank Broker. This is going to be a very simple tutorial, and I assure you by the end of this video you will be able to do all the stuff by yourself. First of all, click on this referral link which is given in the description box below. If you open your account using this link, you will not have to pay spread charges. You will get discount on brokerage every trade you take and other additional benefits as well. So click on this referral link and a registration page will open. Now simply fill your personal information here: first name, last name, country of residence, email address, and then create your own strong password. Make sure you click all the criteria given below and have a strong password. Check this mark and click on next. Now complete this puzzle. And now you will get a 6-digit verification OTP code on your mail. Just copy that code and paste it here from your Gmail. Clicking on next. Now you have to verify your phone number here. Enter your phone number, send OTP, enter that OTP, and next. Now this is the most important process where you have to get verified. Start your verification from here. Begin your identity verification by choosing your nationality. As I am choosing India here, click on next. Fill your personal details like first name, last name, date of birth. But guys, you have to make sure that you are filling the right information here which is given on your national ID. You can't even do a single spelling mistake here. Even enter your DOB according to your national ID. Otherwise the form will get rejected. After clicking on next, now you have to upload your identity document which is a national ID issued by your government. By scanning this QR code, you can do this by your mobile as well, but we will do it on web only. So upload your national ID from here, but make sure your national ID or any other document has an address on it. If address is not written on your national ID, you can use your driving license or a electricity bill as well. As my national ID has a address written on it, so I am using it. After uploading it, click on submit. Now they are verifying your account and performing KYC from their end. Wait for a bit. As you can see, your KYC application is successfully submitted. Now Multibank's group team will manually check your document and verify it. It will take more than an hour, but in some cases it can take a day as well. My identity was verified in less than an hour. I am fully verified now. This was the very simple process of account creation. If you missed anything, please rewind it and apply accordingly. Now I will tell you how you can deposit money in a very simple way. So click on dashboard, click on funds and click on deposit here. Now there are 4 options in front of you. Here we will use the most recommended method, the most easiest one, crypto. Click on crypto. Your trading account is already selected. Click cryptocurrency and use USDT TRC20. Now fill the amount you want to deposit and click on next. Now you can see a barcode and your wallet address. Now what you have to do is open your Binance app on mobile, click on withdraw, select USDT, and right corner you can see a barcode scanner. You can directly scan that code using this. On network, select Tron TRC20. Now fill the exact amount which is written here in cryptocurrency amount. As you can see, I am depositing $100, so I will write the exact amount here. Then click on withdraw, then next and confirm. Use your passkey or face ID to verify it. Click on continue and done. Your withdrawal is under processing, and within 40 to 50 seconds, your $100 will be deposited in your Multibank account. You can see the deposit is done. You will also get a confirmation mail from Multibank. This was a very simple deposit process. Now I will teach you how you can withdraw money from Multibanks. So go to funds again and instead of deposit, choose withdraw. Select your trading account which is already selected, enter your amount, and withdrawal type choose online. Then an online payment type, choose crypto. Enter your wallet address that we use during deposits. In crypto wallet currency, choose USDT TRC20 and then request a OTP on your mail. Copy that OTP, paste it here, check it out, and then finally click on withdraw, and done. Success. Your withdrawal request is placed successfully. Now the payment will be processed very shortly on your Binance account. I hope you have learned how to create an account, deposit and withdraw money on multi-banks, and you will be able to do it by yourself from next time. Thanks for watching.